Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Big up battle, eeny, meeny, miny, moe, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right hand grip, with another left hand watches right hand slip. Schwartz is gone. Single action on me. Well, your left hand's free and your right hand grip, with another left hand watches right hand slip. Schwartz is gone. Neoomgg whiz girl, you're the one for me. Though your man's bigger than I am, all my days he disagrees.
Speakeasy.
Well, my left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free. Well, my left hand's free. Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal
Prepared is
son.
what they're calling it. Let's
Big up battle, eeny, meeny,
talk
miny,
about
moe,
this.
and flower, you're the chosen
You guys
one.
see me grind some foot cheese as well.
Well, your left hand's free. Well, my 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 left hand's free.
Dr. Scholl, and I think it might be a off-brand. But anyways, let's talk about this. Let's get this rolling. So here's the machine. It's well, you can see. This is how you turn it on. This is how you turn it off. This little plastic ring here. It's very similar to an Omnipedi, but I've never used an Omnipedi. But this does not get your feet 100% smooth. It does take off a considerable amount of foot chunk, calluses, dry skin, stuff like that, but it does not make it baby smooth. It does not say that it makes your skin baby smooth, but I'm sure with a few more passes, I could have really put a dent in my running feet. And some lotion and some cotton socks and do the whole moisturize thing. But yeah, this takes 4 AA batteries. It's not overly loud. Like, it's obviously audible. Like, it's not quiet. But it's also, yeah, it's not quiet, but it's also not like super loud. It's like no louder than a can opener, if that's any help. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like this, out of my 2-thumb system, I would give it a 1 thumb. It's about a 65 grade. I feel like the diamond wheel, or the sanding wheel, could be a little bit more hardcore, and I do feel like the motor in this could be a touch more badass, and I think then it would be a pretty good product. Uh, for people with light calluses, who just kind of want to like quickly clean up the old hooves, I think it would be fine. But someone like me who doesn't wear shoes a lot and who runs, and I get calluses and dry skin, and my feet get the crap kicked out of them. So I feel like for someone like me, it would be um, pretty, yeah. It's not very good, but I'm going to actually let my daughter use it because she gets very dry feet, heels especially. So I'm gonna let her try it and see if it works out for her. But yeah, as always, I do not get paid for these reviews, and I also I get these products at a discount through the companies for my honest review, and I would never ever lie about a review to you. Um, Honesty is how I work. So yeah, one thumb from me out of my two thumb system. Um, like I said, could be a little bit more hardcore. I'm sure us ladies and gents out there who have serious calluses could really take a beating just fine. So thanks for watching my review. And if you like watching my reviews, awesome. You can always subscribe. The link for this product will be down below. And yes, have a wonderful day. Bye.